The sun's gone and the lights are on, and we are all set to witness some high-class cricket action. This looks like a bouncy wicket. The white ball will come nicely onto the bat. You might see the odd one fetching some extra bounce. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Hammered away for 4. Good placement. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. That's high in the air. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be 4. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. That's gone high. Well, that's a poor shot from the batsman. Must be kicking himself. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. Gone high. Poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. You really need to be on your toes at this level while fielding. Now how close is that one? The umpire thinks otherwise. And he decides not to take the review. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. Last ball coming up. Loose shot and the fielder pulls off a beauty. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume. This thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Handsomely played, but straight to the fielder though. Good stop, saved a certain boundary. That was outstanding fielding. Long leg in place, expect some chin music from the bowler. Turned away for a single. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Very good running between the wickets. And the batting power play comes to an end. Exceptional, what a catch! Full marks for the catch. A Fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. Good shot for a single. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Finds the fielder, couldn't find that gap. Good fielding, saving crucial runs for his team. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. You have shown some exceptional performance today. What was going on in your mind while you were in the middle?
I felt I was in top form today and I'm happy to get the job done for my team.